Now, let me show you how you can refresh the notes on your Mac computer. So what we need to do at first is to open up the Notes app and browse our Notes section. So first of all, I'm in the iCloud folder. If I expand the side panel, sometimes other notes might be hidden in different folders. For example, in the Quick Notes, Math Notes, iCloud, or even random folders as well. So if you don't find the one which you are looking for, make sure to look for it in other places as well. But if you still see the same stuff and you would like to give it a quick refresh, make sure to close the app like this. You can close it with the red circle in the top left, of course, and you can then reopen it. But as you can see, it opened too quickly, so sometimes it's even a good idea to go to the top left corner of your Mac, then go to the force quit and find the notes right in here. So we not only quitted with the red dot to like close the window, but we're going to actually force quit it like this, which is going to warn us that any unsaved changes will be lost, but we're going to force quit anyway. And now if I open up the notes, in here, you can see I have to look it up like this. You can see that it opens up like a fresh one. You can see that it takes a while to load up. So perhaps this is going to help us refresh the notes and make sure that you have the latest information loaded. And one more thing though, what you need to also make sure is that you have the syncing enabled with other devices. For example, I have my iPhone in here, and on my device and on the computer, I'm using the very same Apple account. So the point is that I want to make sure that the iCloud Notes synchronization is synced and enabled on both devices. So on the Mac, my notes are synced, but if I go to the iPhone, I also want to make sure it is turned on in there as well. So the same approach, iCloud notes, and in here it's turned on. So now that I have it synced like this with proper internet connection, my notes will be synced back and forth and all of the new data will be refreshed automatically. So that's it from me. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe and I'll see you later.